Imagine sliding into the driver's seat of a vehicle that's as rugged as it is refined. That's the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Its boxy silhouette is instantly recognizable. Upright windshield, squared-off roofline, and muscular stance all pay tribute to its military heritage. But underneath, this is a thoroughly modern machine. Under the hood, there are several powertrains. The base G550 uses a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering around 443 horsepower. It's efficient, responsive, and smooth for such a brute-looking SUV. The AMG G63 features a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 with mild hybrid support, giving about 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and full-time all-wheel drive with 3 locking differentials, it dominates both tarmac and rugged terrain. Off-road, it's ready thanks to a L'Orange gearbox. On the road, it's surprisingly composed, with the V8 growl defining its character. The G580 EQ electric variant has 4 independent electric motors, allowing advanced off-road maneuvers like a tank turn and torque vectoring for precise control. Its 116 kWh battery provides roughly 239 miles of range, and fast charging goes from 10% to 80% in about 32 minutes. Inside, the G-Class combines tech and luxury. Dual 12.3-inch MBUX screens display driver info and infotainment, augmented reality navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a voice assistant make technology seamless. An off-road cockpit shows terrain data like compass, altimeter, steering angle, and tire pressure. Audio and materials match the premium feel. A Burmeister 3D surround system, Napa leather, ambient lighting, and climate-controlled cue folders enhance comfort. Subtle design updates in the 2026 model, including refined bumpers and carbon fiber accents, modernize the vehicle while keeping its iconic shape. Safety features include blind spot monitoring and collision warning, making this large SUV more practical and secure. Off-road, the ladder frame chassis, locking diffs, and lower-range gearing maintain legendary capability. On-road, it handles well for its size, with instant torque from the EV version improving city and highway driving. Performance highlights: the G580 EV reaches 60 miles per hour in about 4.1 seconds, while the AMG G63 offers strong acceleration and classic AMG punch. Towing is solid, with gas models rated around 7,000 pounds. The G-Class is more than capability. It's a status symbol. Prices start around $155,000 for the G550, $164,000 for the G580 EQ, and $187,000 for the AMG G63. It's not just a vehicle, it's heritage, craftsmanship, and presence. There are trade-offs. Weight affects efficiency and handling. Cargo space is modest, and rear seat legroom is limited. But the G-Class is about legacy, adventure, and timeless style. In short, the 2026 G-Class balances tradition and innovation. Whether you choose the refined G550, the roaring AMG V8, or the futuristic G580 EV, it's bold, premium, and unapologetically iconic, a true off-road warrior and luxury statement in one.